तालिब इल्म असदुल्ला को कि वो आए और आपके सामने इंग्लिश में स्पीच पेश करें। तालिब इल्म असदुल्ला।
In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Respected principal, my teachers and my class fellows. Today my topic is Sayyidina Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sayyidina Arabic word, which means nature, and habit of our holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is perfect creature of Allah Almighty. He is an ideal and honest and innocent. Teaching us Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam seriously about and evil in the society, and was ordered to find out where means to remove them. And my holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam showed the way of people. I want to tell you one more hadith. La ta'asadu. Do not envy one another. Inna Allah jamilun yuhibbul jamal. Allah is beautiful and He likes beauty. Thanks to all of you.